Student, I am going to explain experiment number 2, that is determine the molarity of KMnO4 solution by using standard solution of FAS. Already we have prepared 0.1 mole of FAS and now we will do titration for this and we will find out the molarity of KMnO4 solution. For this we need burette, KMnO4 solution. Then students, we need 25 ml burette, tile, burette stand, 10 ml pipette. This is ferrous KMnO4 solution. This is 0.1 mole FAS solution which already we have prepared. This is conical flask. This is sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid. This is test tube and test tube stand. So first we have to wash this burette thoroughly with water which is already washed. After that we have to rinse it with the given KMnO4 solution. So take little amount of KMnO4 solution and rinse the burette. After rinsing, you have to fix this burette into burette stand and reading should be facing to you. So in such a way you have to fix your burette stand. All reading should be visible to you. It should be in front of you. Now place this funnel into burette and add slowly KMnO4 solution. So first you take half of KMnO4 solution and remove air bubble from the nozzle by holding this B bottle which contain. So still air bubble is there, student. So now you can see air bubble is completely removed. Now we have to take this solution up to the 0 mark. Student, this is colored solution. So upper meniscus should coincide with 0 mark. While taking reading also you have to consider upper meniscus because it is colored solution. This is upper meniscus which is coinciding with 0 mark. So this is complete adjustment of burette. We first washed with water, rinsed with KMnO4 solution. We removed air bubble from the nozzle and we have adjusted this KMnO4 solution up to the 0 mark. Now I will take, this is conical flask which should be washed with water. Even pipette also we have to wash thoroughly with water. It should be clean. Now first you have to rinse this pipette by taking little solution of FAS and then take 10 ml of FAS solution. Now here also this is white mark, okay? So up to that we have to take, since it is colorless solution, so lower meniscus should coincide with white mark. So with the help of thumb you can control the pressure. Now you can see the lower meniscus coincide with white mark. So this is 10 ml of 0.1 mole FAS solution. Now take this FAS solution transfer this FAS solution into conical flask. Then add 1 ml of sulfuric acid approximately, and then shake it well. Students, you know this is redox reaction, so which need H2SO4 because it is help to produce nascent oxygen and nascent oxygen is responsible for the oxidation process. So now I am doing titration by holding this pinch clip into the left hand. Students, you have to hold this conical flask into right hand, and with left hand you have to hold pinch clip. And do the titration till you get light pink color. Okay, now you can see light pink color, which indicate that the chemical reaction is completely over, and here you can see the reading is 8.5 exactly. This reading you are taking as a pilot reading, so that you will come to know the range of reading, in what range readings are coming. So remaining 3 readings you have to take. You should get same reading constantly and consecutively. Okay, and the remaining calculation which will be explained by Mrs. Annama Sarkar. So this is how you are going to perform volumetric titration of KMnO4 versus FS, which will be there for your 10 marks. This is 10 marks experiment and is compulsory for your practice.